Hello GP Mania friends, see you again on the FCM MotoGP channel. This time we will discuss the struggles of the tough Raider riders in MotoGP who are able to fight heroic challenges in their respective classes, Moto3, Moto2, and especially the spectacular MotoGP. Come on, let's see, check it guys. This rider's struggle deserves a thumbs up. He almost gave up his life to achieve victory, fighting for the podium until he is willing to lay on asphalt that he can be proud of.
I go from living to dead, you got me seeing all red. Now I'm becoming a threat, I fucking heard what you said. I'll make you have some regrets, and no, I never forget. So now you have a few debts, that shit it needs to be paid. With blood or some sort of pain, you caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear.
If you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me coming. You won't die. If you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential.